In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add your custom supports in Orca Slicer. Now let's say that you already have created your design and then you simply want to click on it, navigate through support, and most likely your support will be checked right here and will be set to normal. So if you click on the preview button, the support will randomly show up anywhere, even places we don't want to. So to fix this, we can then add custom supports. Head over to the prepare options once more, and then you want to make sure to select the 3 option or the normal option, but you want to make sure to select manual. In here, we then want to simply add manually our supports by clicking on the support painting option, and then to simply add your supports, just use the left click on your mouse. So in my case, I'm going to be adding supports onto this section right here. Now in this way, it will only add supports onto the parts that we applied onto. Of course, you can edit this the way you want to. For example, you have other tool types, but to simply block supports where you don't want it, it's going to be really simple. Once again, just head over to the part that you want blocked, and then you want to use the right click option. So if you use the right click, it will then apply it onto the red colors. And in this way, we'll be able to apply the support blockers onto our shape. Let's click on the preview button, and from there it will apply the custom supports that we have made. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.